Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a trick to find the square root of a perfect square number in less than a minute. But before we start, let's just have a look to see what is the meaning of finding the square root of a number. So square root of a number is the value that when multiplied by itself gives the number. Like for example, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. You all must be aware of squares of 1 to 10, right? So let's just write it down over here. As we can see over here, the unit place of perfect squares is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Also, the squares of 1 and 9 have 1 in their unit place. The square of 2 and 8 have 4 in their unit place. And the squares of 4 and 6 have 6 in their unit place. And similarly, squares of 3 and 7 have 9 in their unit place, whereas square of 10 and 5 have 0 and 5 in their unit place respectively. This means if we get 4 in the unit place by squaring a number, then our square root will be either 2 or 8 of that particular number. For example, square root of 484 and 2304 is 22 and 48 respectively. Now we are ready to go ahead and find the square root of a perfect square number. We have 529. So we'll start with our first step. First step is to make the pairs of numbers from right hand side. So here 29 will be one pair and 5 will be in another pair. You can consider it as 05. Now by looking at the unit place of our question, we can directly guess the unit place of the square root of that number, right? Here unit place is 9. So unit place of our answer will be either 3 or 7. To confirm if it is 3 or 7, we will find the square number or square which comes before 5. So friends, you're right. Before 5 we have 4, which is the square of 2, right? Now we'll multiply 2 with its next number, which is 3. So we get 6. And we can see that 5 is smaller than the product of the number we have taken. Therefore, square root of 529 is 23 and not 27. You can check your answer using calculator. Now let's take one more example. Find the square root of 1444, that is 1444. The first step is to make the pairs. So 44 and 14 will be two pairs. We have taken from right hand side. Now we have 4 in the unit place. So the square root of this number will have either 2 or 8 in its unit place, right? Now to confirm whether it is 2 or 8, we will take a number which is less than 14 and also it represents the square of a number, which is 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. So our number, or you can say that our answer, is either 32 or 38. Now the final step is to take the next number of 3, that is 4, and take the product of 3 and 4, which is 12. But friends, we have 14 in our question. That means we have bigger number than 12. So our answer will be 38 and not 32. So friends, you can see that we can find the square root of any perfect square number in just 3 steps, which hardly will take 3 seconds or 5 seconds. But there is an exception. This trick does not work with square root of 1296, which is the square of 36. So just remember that square root of 1296 is 36 and not 34. And for rest of any numbers, this trick will work. I hope you find it easy and helpful. You can try this trick on any perfect square root. Before ending this video, try to find the square root of a number given on the screen and write your answer in the comment box. If you like this trick, then hit the like button, share this video with your friends.